What exactly is a Nitro Leach? A Nitro Leach is when you're drifting in a straight line, going at your top speed while gaining nitro at the same time. It's kind of like a manipulation of the game. It's a lot easier to do on, let's say, a wall ride, but you can also do it just on a straightaway. The key thing to note about a Nitro Leach is that you need your car to be perfectly straight. Any little wiggle in the back is a massive loss in your KMH. For some reason in this game, when you are in a straight line, your speed just keeps gaining all the way until you get to the top speed. So we're manipulating the game so we're at our top speed while gaining nitro. So in this clip, I do the nitro leach. I start a drift to the left. After I take this jump, I drift. And as you can see, I'm in a straight line. And if you look at my KMH, I'm still drifting here, and I'm at 291. It's just all about making sure you're in a straight line and holding down that drift. The buttons that you need to press to do this is, let's say you're using sticks, tap the stick, so start a drift, but you want to start the drift with one tap on your stick, whichever direction, doesn't really matter, left or right. Just tap the stick once and don't touch the stick anymore. Hold down the accelerate button and hold down the drift button. If you do everything like that, you should be gradually getting to your top speed while going in a straight line. And if you look at the nitro bar, you should be gaining more nitro. And that's just basically it. For this next clip, this is how to do break nitro. Now, break nitro is a technique where you are basically buffering the nitro state. That's why you can see people with, let's say, a car with less nitro still using the same amount of nitro as a car with longer nitro. Um, the buttons that you use are ZL and Y. Those are the two easiest, in my opinion. You can also use Y and B. It's whatever you're more used to. But I find that ZL and Y is a lot easier. So basically, what you do is you press Y to start your nitro, and in the second you do that, you press ZL to cancel it, and you keep doing that over and over again. So Y, ZL, Y, ZL, over and over again, and it just buffers that nitro bar. So in this clip, I'll be showing you it. As you can see, it slightly buffers the bar, but that slight little buffer makes a lot of difference. And finally, this is what it looks like when you are able to combine both of them. So at the start here, I'll be doing a nitro leach, and in between, I can do break nitro. Ideally, though, there's a thing called a nitro leach. Like you can do it so quickly to the point where you're basically nitro leaching for not even like you can nitro leach for half a second, break nitro for half a second, and do it over and over again. I've not gotten to that level yet, but it's something that anyone can do with a little work. But you can definitely make sure that you can get both of them. So right here, I'm nitro leaching, going into a break nitro, and then I just nitro leach a little more, and then break nitro again. So I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any confusions, just leave a comment, and I'll get to anything that you guys ask.